In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border to video in CapCut. This is a simple but really useful effect, especially if you're making content for social media and want your video to stand out or fit nicely into different aspect ratios. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and you can follow along in CapCut on your own device. First, make sure you already have your video open inside the CapCut editor. You should see your video both on the canvas in the preview area and down on the timeline. To start working on the border, click on your video, either directly on the canvas or on the clip in the timeline. When it's selected, a properties panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel is where we'll make all the adjustments. In that properties panel, look for the option labeled background. Go ahead and click on it. Inside background, make sure you're on the color tab. This is important because CapCut may show other options like blur or image backgrounds, but for a clean border, we want to work specifically with solid colors. Now, choose the color you want your border to be. CapCut gives you a set of preset colors that you can click on right away. If you see a color you like, just select it and you're good. If you want something more custom, look for the color swatch that shows multiple colors or a gradient. Clicking that will open up the color picker where you can fine-tune the shade, brightness, and saturation. Take a moment here to pick a color that matches your brand, your footage, or the vibe you're going for. Once you're happy with the color, switch from the color tab to the basic tab in the same panel. Scroll down until you see a section called Transform. Under Transform, find the setting labeled Scale. This controls how big or small your video appears on the canvas. To reveal the border, slowly reduce the scale. As you lower it, your video will shrink a bit and the colored background you just set will start to appear around it as a frame. You can fine-tune the look in two ways. You can keep adjusting the numerical scale value until the border thickness feels right, or you can use the resize handles directly on your video in the preview. Click the video on the canvas and drag the corners inward to make it smaller, and drag the clip itself to reposition it in the center or wherever you like. Take a moment to play with this until the border looks balanced on all sides. And that's it. You've just added a clean, customizable border to your video in CapCut.